everyone, it's Kalante. Hope everyone is doing well and staying warm. Well, for this week's assignment, we had to do a technique demonstration video. And I did some research on a out of the box, so to speak, therapeutic technique invention that involves the use of sand and miniature figurines and objects. What I discovered is that there are two types of sand-based therapeutic techniques. One is called sand tray therapy. And what sand tray therapy is a technique where the client has sand in a sandbox and they pick miniature figurines and objects and they place them in the sand and the sandbox. And as they're doing this, as they're putting everything together in the sandbox, the therapist will ask certain questions like, who does this figurine represent? And what is this object feeling, or why is this object placed here? Why is this figurine and this figurine fall apart? Different things like that. And what it does is it helps the client to express thoughts, feelings, and emotions that they might not otherwise disclose or express in traditional talk therapy. And sand play therapy is the same idea. There's a sandbox, there's sand in it, and the client uses miniature objects and figurines and places them in the sandbox in any order, manner that they choose. The difference between the two techniques is that with sand tray therapy, the therapist is interacting with the client as the client is engaged in setting up the figurines and objects in the sandbox. With sand play, the therapist says nothing while the client is building the things in the sandbox. They observe and they watch. And after the person has finished, then they discuss what each object or figurine means or represents to the client. By using the nonverbal aspect of it with sand play, it allows the therapist to see how the client is thinking, what their inner world looks like to them. What I found as I did more reading is that you can use sand-based techniques to help a person develop their family genogram. And I was like, oh my goodness, that's really, really interesting. I never thought of using the sand and miniature figurines and objects to help a person display their family genogram. But when you think about it, it's kind of neat because what they're doing is they use the figurines and the objects to represent the people in their family genogram. And they can also show the distance between people, like, oh, my goodness, it's amazing. All the information that you can get out of that. And I found a video that is done by a licensed social worker who is also a registered play therapist supervisor. And she demonstrates how you can use sand-based therapeutic techniques to help an adult develop a family genogram. So I tried very hard to embed that video with my video, and since I'm not computer tech savvy, I wasn't able to do it. So I will add the link to our class assignment folder, and you can click on the link and watch the video. I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that you will see that it is a useful tool and that you find it interesting as I did. So enjoy the video, and thanks everybody for watching. Bye.